Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. You need an account with sysadmin privileges and a recent backup, so you can safely make changes. Next, run the built-in report command in the target database to list orphaned users. This gives you a concrete list to work from. While the report runs, collect the exact database usernames and decide whether to map them to existing server logins or create new ones. This immediate triage sets up the actionable steps that follow. Once you have the orphan list, handle each user. If a server login already exists, run alter user debuser with login equals login name. This remaps the database user to the server login and preserves permissions. If no login exists, create a login with create login and a secure password, then run alter user to link it. Make sure to choose the correct login name and verify casing. Once done, confirm permissions remain intact by checking role memberships, and finish by validating every fix. Query sys. Database principals and sys. Server principals to confirm SIDs match, and test logins by connecting or impersonating the user. If you find a SID mismatch, recreate the server login specifying the original SID and then run alter user again. This solves many stubborn access failures. If something still breaks, check role memberships like DB owner and server roles, then reapply permissions. If you hit permission denied, return to a backup or escalate to a higher privilege account before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.